Kin Insurance Review. Pricing explained: what you get for your money. Kin Insurance is a homeowners and renters insurance provider, but most people get this wrong. They assume it's just another online insurer. The surprising truth is that Kin focuses on technology-driven pricing, quick claims processing, and customizable coverage for modern homes. Pricing depends on your location, home value, and coverage options. Average premiums for a typical US homeowner range from to $500 per year, but Kin often offers competitive rates thanks to its digital-first approach. You won't believe how flexible it is. You can customize dwelling coverage, personal property protection, liability limits, and even add optional coverages like water backup or identity theft protection. Most people get this wrong by only looking at the monthly or annual cost. Kin's value comes from faster claims, easy digital policy management, and transparency in what's covered. Their platform makes comparing quotes and adjusting coverage quick and simple, which can save money and reduce frustration during a claim. In conclusion, Kin Insurance pricing is competitive and adaptable. By understanding base premiums, optional coverage, and how digital convenience translates into cost savings, you go from zero to pro in deciding if Kin provides the right mix of protection, service, and value for your money.